Okay. Hi guys, welcome to Frozen Landpack Machinery. My name is Jennifer.
I'm Karen.
Today we are going to introduce this powder filling nice machine for you. This machine is suitable for all kinds of powder. You can fill like coffee powders or some spicy powder on the bottles. Now we are going to switch on this machine to let you see this machine how to work and how to fill the powder in the bottle. This machine is consist of 3 parts. This part is powder filling machine. Okay, switch on this machine. And then you can see the powder is filled in the bottle, and they will go to the next station for bottle covered river machine. This is the second machine. And then the next machine is for the labeling machine. Can see the label is stick on the bottle. Okay, now we are going to introduce more detail about these 3 machines to you. Now let's my colleague Karen to explain for you.
Yeah, now I would like to show you the main packer of the whole set of machine. This milk, pantone powder and chemistry powder because it is in very high accuracies. Now I will show you. You can put your bottle into here, and then you have a sensor on here to set if the bottle into here. The first major filling metering will filling the powder into the first bottle in here. In this filling, it can filling the amount powder inside one bottle, and then will go by next step with this clip conveyor into here. You can see here this position can be raised up when the first powder is filling inside the bottle, because it can prevent the dusting and make the accuracy in higher because the fill dusting product. And here when it finished the first filling metering, it will go to the another scrum auger metering for the second time filling. In this filling, you have a waiter bottom here. This is with waiter function to measure if the difference with the target rate. And this screen, you can see it is in a smaller size because it add the addition different rate of the first rating to make the accuracy in higher. The accuracy is in about 0.05 to 4%. It is in very high accuracies, normally in 0. So the whole set of machine will be in very good. And these 2 metering is driven by the Schneider motor. It is in very stable operation and long lifetime. You can see in here, this is the touch screen of the whole set of machine. In here, it will have the target rate, it is in here. And this second weight, it is the second weighing of And here, if you want it in automatic feeding, it will like this. And if in manual, all the parameters can be set on here. Now we'll show you some detail of the whole set of machine. The material is in stainless steel. With this high accuracy machine, you might wonder what kind of material or the brand of our electrical part, because the electrical part is very important for the machine's stable operation and longer lifetime. Now I will show you more detail about our electrical part. You can see in here. This tool is the one I mentioned before. It's nether servo motor for the screen auger metering. And here, this is the PLC and the servo motor of the Landpack. It is from the Panasonic Japan. And this tool is the driver motor. It is also from Panasonic Japan. You can see the other electrical part. It is from Schneider or French, Germany, or other famous brands all over the world, to make sure the machine is in good quality and high accuracy, stable operation while running, and have a long lifetime, less operation in the future. And the other part of the machine will have the capping machine or the Lambo machine, and the capping machine and the Lambo machine will be introduced by my partner Jennifer.
Okay, you can see this machine is for fill the powder in the bottle, and this bottle will go to you can see this four-wheeler will render covers tightening on the bottle. And if you have different bottle dimensions, this machine also can handle it. You can change this schooner to let this hold device to up and down. And if your bottle is too bigger, you can adjust this both sides handling to change the width of the build. And this speed, this revolve machine can run 80 bottles per minute. And when the bottles go into the next machine, let this machine run. This is the neighboring machine. It will stick the neighbors on the bottle. Okay, this neighboring machine is suitable for different bottle dimension. You can change this both sides handle to adjust the width of the container. If you want to put the neighbor on different position, you can change this handle to let this whole device to up and down, and it will let the neighbor stick in here or here. This neighboring machine runs around 25 bottles or 40 bottles per minute. but it based on your bottle shape and bottle dimension. Okay, maybe you want to add some jot. Follow me. This machine is hosting and arrange the bottle covers. It will transport the bottle covers from here to here. The covers will be stand up in here, and this hosting hopper has 200 liters warrant. You can put all the bottle cover in here, and each bottle cover will be transported to here. This is the conveyor chain. It's customized by different bottle dimension, and this one is the barcode device. It will barcode the bottle cap on each bottle, and then it goes to the next machine to reward covers on the bottle. And now, I know you have no more detail about our machine, and you have some questions on this machine. We can introduce this machine for you, and let you to know more detail about it. Okay, now Karen will answer my question.
Yeah.
Okay, Karen, when our customer buy whole powder filling line, he also want it to fill different bottle dimension. Does this filling line also can use on this machine?
Yeah, of course, yes, because in the Maypacker, the screen metering inside can be changed with different size. We have a different size of the metering screen, so that you can change it and suitable for different size. And the weight can be set on here. Yes, you can set how many grams you want to pack in for the Maypacker, right? Yeah, it is very easy model. This is the conveyor model. One bottle size and shape only for one conveyor model. So just change it, then it is okay. Very easy for the machine to change with different size of bottle or weight. Yeah.
Okay, I see. That means if I have 3 different bottle dimensions, I need to prepare and buy 3 more models to use on this machine, right?
Yeah, of course, yes.
Okay. May I know how many accuracies of this machine? Because we want high accuracy of the powder.
Yeah, the accuracies of the packing machine, it is in about 0.4%. It is in very lower higher accuracies of the whole set of machine. You can see in the second metering, it have a wear on it, and this wear will show on the touch screen. You can see the bigger of this one. It is showing how many grams weighing in the second position of the screen organ metering, and this is while this is the target. So the accuracy will be in control and in high accuracies. So don't worry about the accuracies part. This machine, it is very suitable for the high accuracies like the milk powder or the protein powder and the other chemical powder. Yeah.
Okay. I have one question on this powder filling machine.
Yes.
I want to use it to fill some coffee powder, but there are some particles in the powder. Does this machine also can fill?
Oh, the situation is in consider, because it needs to see how big how the size of your granular into the coffee powder, and then it is also depend on the filling liquidity of the powder too. Yeah, but we can customize it or in other shape of metering part also can be.
9.
Yeah, generally our speed is in about 20 to 13 bottle per minute, and it is also depend on the fill, how many grams you want to fill in per bottle. If in the smaller weight, the speed will be quickly. If in bigger weight, the speed may be slowly. Yeah.
Okay, I see. May I know, does this machine can be made of the 304 stainless steel material?
Oh yeah, of course. Our machine can material on content part can be customized. The stainless steel in 304 material or the stainless steel in 316 material also can be choose. Yeah, it depends on the product. Yeah.
Okay, so this machine can be customized for our product, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Does this? I want to know this weigher. This weigher, how accuracy of it?
Oh yeah, the accuracy of the weigher, because the weigher is in micro weigher, so the accuracy of it is in very small and can be in high accuracies, so that can make sure the final weight will be met with the target weight. Yeah, I think it is very easy and simple for customer to use the Maypacker, because all our parameter of the machine can be controlled on the touch screen, and the machine will very simple to operate. Yeah. By the way, I think customer will also have some question on the capping machine and the lambo machine too. So I want to ask some question for the customer so that they can have well understanding of the machine.
Okay.
Yeah, about the capping machine, I want to know if they have different size of the cap. Can it be done in the one machine, or need to change the model? Yeah.
Okay. Our machine, our bottle cover rewards different bottle dimension, because our machine can be adjusted the weight and the bottle height. You just need to change this handle and both side handle to change the weight and height. It's very easy for you to handle it.
Oh yeah, it's very clear and very simple for the customer to operate the whole set of machine. And I also want to know that if I have different shape of the capping, of this capping. As you said, you can have the capping feeding machine. If the capping feeding machine also need done any change, so can suitable for all the size.
Yeah. You can see the bottle cover will have different shade, and the dimension will be different. But if you want to use the automatic hoisting machine to transport the covers and buckle the covers on the bottle, you need to customize the different cover chains to suitable for this cover dimension.
Oh yeah, now I get it. And I want to know that if the capping wheel, I want to change the speed of the capping wheel or make it the capping in more tight. Can I set the parameter of it? Yeah?
Yeah, you can change the speed on the touch screen. Now the total output is 24 bottles per minute, but you can change it. So it's very easy for you to change the numbers on the touch screen.
Yeah, the touch screen also very easy to control. And about the Lambo machine, I want to know if customer have different size and different shape of the bottle, and also for the label. Can I use with the same machine or need to change any part of it?
Yeah, you can use just one machine to label different bottle dimension because our machine can adjust it. You see, this container, the width of the container raised just based on your bottle width. Okay. If you want to change the position of the labels on the bottle, you can change this handle to let it up and down, and the labels will stick on the different position on the bottle.
Yeah, so the label up and down of in different position of the bottle also can be changed and controlled, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Then maybe some customer will have on the label machine if they have the date, the production date or the volume date on the machine. Then how to change it, or how to set it, or just cannot print any date on it.
Okay. If you want to print the date printer or the production code on the label, you can install the date printer in here, and the switch will be connected. The date printer will print each date code on each label, and then the labeling machine will stick the labels on the bottle.
Yeah, it seems very easy to control it. But if I have some QR code or different code, can I print the code on it too?
Yes, if you have a QR code or logo different, you want to print the labels, you can buy the thermal transport date printer in it. You can set the logos on the touch screen, and then we'll print the logos on each label. It's very easy.
Oh yeah, it sounds very easy, and I think our customer will really like it. Oh yeah, in here you can see the label like this, right?
Yeah, this QR code.
Oh yeah, this is the QR code. Yeah. And about the machine, I want to know that what kind of the material of this part of machine, yeah, can have any other option?
Yeah, you also can use different materials to make this machine, because our engineer will customize different materials, stainless steel or the 3-1 set stainless steel. Just we can customize for you, so you don't need to pay too more attention on this material.
Oh yeah, it is very clear, I think. Yeah, this is the end. I think our customer will very care about it and without any question about it. Yeah.
Yeah. So. Okay. Now this is our hot powder filling line machine. I know maybe you have some powder. You also want to use these machines to fill it automatically. Don't worry. You can send us to inquiries, and our sales managers will reply you 24 hours online. Welcome to check our website and find us.